I'm Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. We are back with another Vlogmas. Today we're doing the boyfriend does the girlfriend's makeup challenge. Stop! It was really difficult to get Zach to do this with me today because he did not want to do this challenge for some reason. It was just so hard to get him to do it. But after hours of convincing, and I'm not sure if he's convinced yet, he finally agreed to do this challenge with me. And so we're going to see how he does. Also, guys, do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. The giveaway is still going on. Like I said, I'm having a giveaway every single day during this Vlogmas. So definitely subscribe below and also enter the giveaway so you can get stuff for free. Anything you want to say before we start?
I'm being held against my will. If anybody sees this, please call my job.
Okay, let's get to the video. Here's my makeup kit. It's usually more organized than this, but I've been in a rush lately. But here's all my makeup. I did not tell him about anything that I use or what it's used for, so he's gonna have to figure out by himself. I have my lashes in here and everything. And yeah, so we'll see how well he does. And let's see what he begins with. Okay, so first things first, Zachary, what are you gonna do?
We're going to change your hair color.
No, it's a makeup challenge, so only makeup.
Okay, so first.
Zachary, can we do this video, please? So you want to explain what you're doing here?
I'm kind of going with the flow.
The flow? So do you know what you're using right now?
Foundation.
Oh, wow, okay. So why did you put it on like this? Why are you putting on like this?
That's what Kim Kardashian does.
It's what Kim Kardashian. Oh my god, this is going to be a nightmare to take off. Okay, so I guess right now I'm not sure if he's blending or painting is the right word in all my face. You're putting them on my eyebrows? You're putting them on my eyebrows?
What else is supposed to do?
Oh, okay. So are you done with the foundation?
Yeah, no, I'll put some more.
No, I don't think you should put any more.
Okay.
Okay. So does this look like it's properly blended with my face?
No.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
You're using that brush?
Nope.
This is so hard for me. What is that?
It's to help with your foundation.
Why did you choose that color?
Because it's your skin color.
He chose this color because it's my skin color. Oh. So what are you doing now?
Close your eyes. This is really going to bring you to the next level.
Oh, wow. Is it bringing you to the next level?
Mm-hmm.
You sure it's not going to bring me down a couple levels?
No, it's bringing you to the next level.
Oh, okay. Do you still think
Close your eyes.
Do you think the foundation is blended well enough?
No.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure if you were done yet.
I'm
Oh, okay. I'll just stop talking and let you get to work.
Can you close your eyes?
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, we're back to the blending. Okay.
Close your mouth. Close your mouth.
You're rubbing my face so hard. Oh my god, I'm gonna break out. Okay, it looks a little better than before, that's for sure. What was that?
You gotta make sure it gets in there good.
So you slap me in the face? What are you doing with that? Show them, you should show them what you use. Okay. What are you doing?
Close your eyes.
What are you doing? What is that?
It's like a smelling thing.
A smelling thing?
Here, close your eyes.
Sorry. What are you doing?
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Are you? This is not a joke.
Oh, okay, let me.
a challenge. You're supposed to do your best.
Close your eyes. Oh.
Oh, what? Wow. You broke the stick. Let's put it away. Let's just forget this one. We're moving on.
Okay.
Oh, we're back with the eyeshadow. Do you want to use something else? Oh, okay.
Okay. A little more.
You want any more?
Okay.
Oh, wow. Found the blending brush. To blend again. Okay. Stop. What do you keep doing that? Oh no. Not my Fenty contour kit. Don't waste it, please. Show them what you're using. Using the Fenty contour kit.
Just go on your lips. Looks like lipstick.
Wherever you want.
I don't know, is it lipstick or no?
I can't tell you. The Fenty lip gloss. Oh my gosh.
Okay, rub your lips together.
Rub it together.
Go ahead. Okay. Make sure you get a good towel. Well.
That's enough. It's in there.
Okay.
It's not lip balm. It's lip gloss.
Okay.
Oh, that hurts. Ow! It's sharp. Use another one. I'm scared. You're done?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing?
Close your eyes again.
Not you being focused. Done?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, Zach. Wow.
Did I do okay?
I don't know. What do you think?
Looks good.
You think I could go out in public like this?
Yes.
You would be proud to walk out in public with me looking like this. Yikes.
Very pretty.
It's yikes.
Very pretty, me.
Thank
you for allowing me to do this. This is great.
Yeah, it's not gonna happen again. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look.
Wow.
Wow is the word. I don't know what to say.
Look at your brows. It looks so good.
You guys can see he put my foundation on, he put lip gloss, he defined my brows, he gave me eyeshadow. He put eyeshadow kind of all over my face. And yeah, you know, that was the challenge. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it as funny as I did. Make sure you guys subscribe and give me a like.
And if you like what you see, feel free to, you know, get in my DMs. I don't charge very much for this. Probably for you, $60, $75. And
you should pay me for what you did to me. I should get paid. I should get paid for this.
I don't charge very much, so if you guys want to do this or, you know, want pictures taken, I take all of our pictures on Instagram
my gosh,
as well.
here we go. The picture's good.
So, you know, feel free. I will give discounts for frontline workers.
Are you done?
So,
Are
thank
you
you guys.
done?
Huh?
Are you done?
Y'all have fun. You talk to her. I'm done.
Also, enter the giveaway below, guys. I have a giveaway happening every single day during this Vlogmas, guys. So make sure you guys enter, subscribe, comment, and like this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.